How to log into UKG account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into UKG account. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for UKG account login. Now you want to tap on this website, which is uc.ukg.com. Once you are on this website, tap on UKG employee login. Here, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your username. Once you have entered your username, next step is to enter your password. Now, tap on the sign on option. If the details you have entered is correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. If you want to change your password, tap on the change password option. If you are having some trouble signing on, tap on trouble signing on option. Now, you can simply enter your username over here, then tap on the send request option. After that, follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or unlock your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.